Yeah.
Hey, there you are. Didn't see you there. Welcome to CIT. Today we're going to be going over office safety and shop safety. Come on in. As you can see, this is not safe for the shop. Why is it not safe for the shop? Because it's distracting, impedes the learning environment, and also it spreads bacteria and germs to the other students, and we wouldn't want that in the shop.
Serious right now, bro?
This isn't an example of office safety because drinking water above any electronically powered device can cause a short circuit, a malfunction in the computer, or death for the computer. Also, do not work on any device without being instructed to do so by your instructor.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o!
Oh, how are you? Now, this is an example of why you shouldn't roughhouse in shop or in an office. Why is that? Because roughhousing can start off fun, but then it can quickly escalate. Like with my friend Zach Jones, he knew that I was playing around with the broom too much, and he wanted to handle it with his fists. And sometimes that isn't the best option. But wow, that's why you should not roughhouse in shop.
Screen celebs and stage satellite social debs, and I have a... Heidi, hey man, what price? Yeah man, bankers with their Cinderellas listening to those skipping, doing the up and low down. You'll find laughter after midnight, that's their playtime. Heidi, hey man, what price? Yeah man, bankers with their Cinderellas listening to those high-elatives up in Harlem, doing the uptown lowdown.
office tech tips. If you have any confusion on any of the tips, we have a linked step-by-step guide in the description below. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that bell for post notifications. And always make sure to watch our newest videos.